So many thanks for talking to us. You came up, Axis Bank tied up with Samsung for this credit card. How promising you think so that this will widen your the customers base in coming time?
Our strong belief is that the credit card growth will come through partnerships where you're offering certain unique features to the customers and creating new categories and bringing some innovation to the market. I think this is a step in that direction. We are combining with a global major which has global, well-known, some of the best brands in the world, and obviously offering to the consumers who buy their products a unique offering and a platform. We believe that this will create a unique market, a set of unique market for us. Samsung has a large number of people who sell and help in selling their products. They will become a sales force for this credit card also. And I think it also continues to establish Axis as a premier partnership player for the industry or for creating various categories. This is our fourth large partnership. I think it just goes to show that we are making a difference in the credit card space. We have been the second largest or the first largest acquirer over the last 3 months. We have 17% incremental market share. We believe this partnership will continue to play into our gains in the credit card market as we move forward.
And the industry is also looking very optimistic with the onset of this festive season. And you came up with a co-branded credit card. Your internal analysis or estimate to the customer base that I asked in the first question, that you are analyzing that okay, we have to reach to this target or the goal that you have set for yourself?
So well, obviously the festive season is an important part of demand which is created amongst the customers, because a lot of people do use this festive season to make new purchases. This card, that's why launched at the right time, so that when people look at new purchases, they could not only be taking on this card, but they could be using this card to buy various products. So it's timed right. Obviously, the growth is muted in some segments of the market, and the market is looking forward to this festive season to kind of revive that demand. So let's keep our fingers crossed.
Despite your so much of optimism, still there are certain challenges, whether it's be the inflation or the anticipation of a slowdown. Your analysis, your forth-looking projection for this?
Well, the government and regulator are obviously trying to balance on one side the macroeconomic volatility and high inflation, and obviously now a currency which has depreciated a little bit, against the fact that they want to spur growth in India, continue to make the economy move in a certain direction. And I think they've been doing a brilliant job of managing that balance. I don't see any reason why they will not continue to do so in the future. So let's leave it in the good hands where it already is, and I think we need to remain optimistic, because India, as I said, is an island of prosperity amongst huge macroeconomic factors which are playing out globally, and I don't see any reason why that will not continue.
My last question would be, because this would not complete the interview part, your expectation for the upcoming RBI policy. You think so rate hike will be there? If yes, then what could be the range and why so?
Well, all the market commentary is around a rate hike. Federal Bank has done a pretty steep 75 basis point rate hike. So we do believe that some rate hike will happen. If you look at the market commentary and what the projections are, it's somewhere between 35 to 50 basis points. Let's see what plays out on Friday. Thank you.
Thanks for talking to us with camera person Devendra. This is Samir Dikshit for IT Now.